Every woman should know these 11 tricks with baking soda. When it comes to their looks, many women pay special attention to the products they put on their skin, body, and hair. Unfortunately, a lot of commercial products contain chemicals that actually do more harm than good. But there are always more natural ways to keep your body healthy. Take baking soda, for example. It has hidden health benefits when you use it on its own. Most of you probably have a box of baking soda in your house. Its main functions are to make baked goods rise, remove acid-induced odors, and it can be used as a cleaning agent to scrub just about anything. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, here are the top health benefits of baking soda that every woman should take notice of. Number 1. Treat kidney disease. According to Dr. Julian Whitaker, bicarbonate is an alkaline substance that is produced by the body, which buffers acids and helps keep our pH levels in check. Whitaker adds that people who suffer from kidney disease have a hard time removing acid from their body. But a recent study conducted by British researchers shows that sodium bicarbonate actually slowed the rate of kidney decline by 2/3. Number 2. Cure occasional heartburn and indigestion. Over-the-counter medications such as Alka-Seltzer, Tums, and Rolaids contain some form of bicarbonate. So Whitaker states that if those medications have success in relieving indigestion and heartburn, then taking natural baking soda would work even more efficiently. He suggests stirring a half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a cup of water and drink it in an hour after eating a meal. Number 3. Oral hygiene. Whitaker explains that brushing your teeth by simply dipping your toothbrush in baking soda may not be the best idea. With its abrasive qualities, it would wear down the protective enamel over time. He suggests sticking with the commercial products that contain baking soda in their toothpaste. Number 4. Mouthwash. I've already mentioned what baking soda can do when it's on a toothbrush, but I haven't mentioned what it can do as a mouthwash. Healthline states that baking soda can reach corners and crevices of your teeth, tongue, and gums that can be missed when you're brushing your teeth. The easiest way to utilize baking soda as a mouthwash is to mix half a teaspoon with a glass of warm water. Number 5. Smooth canker sores. In 1973, a mouth clinic was formed at Sunnybrook Hospital. Most of the patients that came into the clinic were suffering from chronic ulceration. It was tough to diagnose and even tougher to treat at times. But specific therapy that included baking soda improved the conditions of 7 out of 10 patients, according to Healthline. Number 6. Whitens teeth. According to Medical Science Monitor, the reason why baking soda is so effective when it comes to whitening teeth is because of its mild abrasive properties allow it to break the bonds of molecules that stain the teeth. Baking soda also contains antimicrobial and antibacterial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. Number 7. Deodorant. John Henderson Lamb from the School of Medicine at the University of Oklahoma explains that baking soda acts as a natural deodorant because it can eliminate the smell of sweat by making the odor less acidic. Number 8. Could improve exercise performance. Muscles produce lactic acid, which is why you get the burning sensation during exercise. Lactic acid lowers the pH inside your cells, which could be the reason why your muscles get tired. A study was published in Biomed Central, and it concluded that the participants who consumed sodium bicarbonate before exercise elevated their peak blood lactic levels and lowered the rate of perceived exertion. In simpler terms, participants were able to exercise longer than they usually did. Number 9. Treats itchy skin and sunburns. According to WebMD, baking soda contains properties that can help soothe the redness that's caused by itching and the stinging sensation caused by sunburn. There are many over-the-counter products that contain baking soda, but you can make your own paste out of baking soda, or take a bath and add it to the water. Number 10. Whitens your laundry. According to research done at the University of Nebraska, because baking soda is alkaline when it's dissolved into water, it has the ability to interact with acids from stains to help remove them. Number 11. Removes carpet stains. According to an article published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, when you combine baking soda and vinegar, it creates a compound called carbon acid. This ingredient is common in cleaning products. Together, they create a fizzing sensation that seeps into the carpet and removes the stains. The bottom line here is that baking soda is a versatile product that has many uses besides cooking. But before you attempt to use it for health benefits, I would speak to a medical professional first. I would also proceed with caution if you're putting it on any area of your body. The properties in baking soda can irritate the skin and eyes. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.